Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode. For example, for calls, you can add in exceptions calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. Here you can star contacts. There's also an option to allow repeat callers if the same person calls the second time within a 15-minute period. The same goes to messages. Here you can manage all exceptions, not only calls and messages, but touch sounds, reminders, events, alarms, and other sounds. Here you can restrict notifications like sound notifications, like sound and visual notifications, and also you can customize it for yourself here. You can set default duration for this mode, and you can also set a schedule for it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.